Okay, may bago na naman tayong lalaruin. This time, we are going to play the floor above demo. So, tara, samahan niyo akong maglaro, matakot at magulat. Let's go! Indicator yun eh. May pag-clap. Flap.
Hey. Hello? Can you hear me? Do you remember who you are? Probably not. Listen, let's
Game na
get
pala
straight to the
talaga.
point.
Ah,
I know how you
dal.
can get out. All you have to do is press the right buttons. Remember this. If the room looks abnormal, press the red one. If it looks normal, press the green one. Got it? Then go ahead. Begin.
Left shift view the buttons. So, first floor ito. Default floor ba to? Ganun ba yun? May tab ba? Paano ano? Settings, wala ganun. So, may isang nakatumbang chair, may doll. Start na ba kagad? Paano ko malalaman yung anomaly? Level, ayun pala, 0. Okay. Ano uli sabi? Left shift, tapos. Oh, shite. Ano yun?
Whoa. Looks like the TV disappeared from the wall. That's way too obvious. Let's make sure the room isn't trying to fool you. Look directly at where the TV used to be. Then close your eyes. If the TV is back when you open them, that means the room is normal, and you should press the green button.
Okay.
If not, press the red one.
Oh, paano i-close your eyes? Left mouse button to zoom in. Wait lang, hindi ko na. Tagal ko na hindi naglaro. Right mouse button to close your eyes. Baka may jumpscare. When to press the green button, you don't see any changes in the room. You saw a hallucination, but then it disappeared and the room looks normal. Okay. The room looks different than usual. You saw a hallucination that does not appear. Press red button. Okay. Check the hallucinations. The room may play your imagination, and not everything you see is dangerous. Close your eyes to check hallucinations. Some will disappear, others will remain. Okay, you know what to do. To escape the room, you need to press the correct button 9 times in a row. The counter of correct answers is above the floor. So,
If you're unsure about something around you, just close your eyes. It will give you answers. But don't keep them closed too long.
bakit 1? Nakadalawang akyat na ako, 'di ba? 1 pa din. So may mali ako. So may anomaly kanina. Oh shit. Ayun o. spider ba yun?
Seems like everything's fine in this room, but better double check. As long as you're in the chair, always double check.
Lagi ba nandyan yung ano? Picture frame? Hindi ko maalala. Baka trick question yun. Wait lang. Kailangan ganun lang kabilis. Alam mo yung sa game, nagkikrick yung doors, tapos in real life na nagkikrick kasi yung pintuan ko hindi nakasara na maayos. Ang unsettling pala nitong mga anomaly games, no? Hindi ko alam, pero hindi ko siya maalala. Try ko na lang na ano. Wrong room? Ay, sana 3. Oh! Double check. Ano yung mali dun? Dali. May ano. Hindi ko alam. May insects. Alo! Ala, mali! Ala!
Who do we have here?
Ba't nag-zero?
Meet Morty. He's here to defend you. Rooms with Morty are safe, but you still need to press the red button.
Hala! Paano?
It's strange, but the room wants it that way.
Safe daw eh. Wait nga. Hina ako mag-follow ng instructions. Eh, may nanggulat. So, paano nang gagawin ko? Hala. Pwede ba magstay sa room ng matagal? Like, yung picture frame pala na yun. Tama pala yun. Ako pala yung mali. Hala, hindi ko alam yung gagawin. Cut. Hala, nagalit. Anong gagawin ko? Hindi ko na alam kung tama, mali. Meow. Okay. Green. From 0, mag-1 kaya. La. Zero pa din. Mahirap pala talaga yung anomaly games, no? Lo. So, green uli. Isa lang ba yung magiging hallucinations? Uy. Naka-1 na tayo.
I've got this strange feeling of deja vu. And again, if you knew everything, you probably wouldn't be surprised.
Shit. Nawala yung bata. Ay! Oh, shit! Ay! Hello! Hi! Ay! Isa lang yun, di ba? So, mali. Mali yung room. Ay, hindi. Nawala yung hallucination. Ano ba naman yan? O diba? Ayun na nga. Nagigets ko na. Nakakapanig lang daw. Daw not. Ano ba yan? Oh! May sounds. Ano yun? Wala pang piano eh. Bawal ba magtagal sa room? Ano nga uli, pag nawala yung wala naman. Pero dahil may sounds, may something wrong. So, check. Ano exit?
Are you scared?
I'm nervous. I'm not
That's good.
scared. Nervous.
That means you're not one of them yet.
So, mali. Kasi hindi na wala yung exit. Kasi dapat number yun. Diba? Wait lang. Huwag daw pala alisin yung kamay sa... Ay! Shit! Ay! Ay! Ano ba yan?
You know, sometimes I feel sorry it's you. We could have been friends. Like Jeff and me.
Hala! Hala, hindi gumana! Hala, pabilis na.
Sometimes you might
Pabilis.
see the ghost of a woman in here.
Huwag ka maingay.
She might look
Concentrate,
normal,
di ba?
but don't let her fool you.
Titingin pala sa taas kasi kanina yung dal nandun. Baka kapag chinek natin, masayang yung progress. Ito mahirap sa anomaly games. Madalas yung malapit ka na sa finish line, pero magkakamali ka. Tapos hindi ka rin pwedeng matagal sa shite mate. Okay, sige check. Ano ba yan na yung 7 dalawa
Mike,
huwag ka
if
maingay.
you will see the tall woman, don't upset her. She doesn't like when
Wala
things
naman
don't
akong
go her
ginagawa
way.
eh. Last check. Whoop. Whoop. Hala, may mali. Wala akong nakitang mali. Nawala yung progress natin, sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Hey, did you hear that too? No. That's why you're so calm.
ko alam. Ay. Meow. Meow. Ay! Ay, ano ba yung hindi nakikita? Hindi lang ba monsters? Pati ba furnitures? Hindi ko kabisado. Oh, oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Ah! Ay! Pag nawala, hindi ano mo. Huwag kamay! Huwag kamay! Huwag kamay ngay! Wait lang. Pala desisyon ako eh. Dahil nawala naman siya, like tumakbo siya. Check. Okay, tama. So, may nakita tayo spider banda dito. So, X. Woo! Hindi ko kasi sure kung bawal ba magstay ng matagal sa...
Hey, if something feels wrong, then it probably is.
Yung dalo, lumingon. Huwag ka maingay. Normal, nawala kasi yung ano, spider webs. Bumubulong. TV ba yun? Ano ba? One na naman ano ba yan? Hindi na ako nag-progress. Hindi ko kabisado yung furniture. Bahala na si Batman. One, what's next? Two. Tahimik naman. Suspicious kapag yun nawala yung mumu. Wait lang, check uli. May mumu dun sa fireplace. Wait, 3 na tayo. Meow.
Hey, you know, we're all rooting for you here. And Jeff too. Right, Jeff?
Ay, ikaw si Jeff.
Jeffrey?
Meow. Hi, Jeff.
Yeah, him too.
Seems normal to me. Sana mag-4. Hindi tayo nakaalis. Ano yung hindi ko nakita? Bakit naging SpongeBob yung game? Bye. Nabasag. Tingnan mo, makakabisado ko ba yan? Like, bilangin tayo picture frame. 1, 2, 3. Doble. Itong picture frame na nasa gitna, meron din dito. So, ganun ba talaga yan? Wait, tignan nga lang muna natin. So, 3 frame sa may fireplace. 4 na frame sa may sofa, bed, sofa. May books, may lamp, magazines, tissue, chopwoods. Ano pa? Gaano ba ka-detailed or gaano ba magiging kaliit yung ano? Ano Amalay? Meron ba talagang upos lagi dun sa dulo? Upos ng sigarilyo? Hindi ko alam. Check na lang natin.
Hey, where are you? I don't see you on the camera.
Uy. Baka magalit yan, Jeffrey. Ay! Check. Wala, mali. Dapat pala check. Ay, hindi tama. Kamay. So, dahil na-check naman. Pagka nawala nga pala, so dapat check. Nakakalimutan ko. 6 na kaya tayo? Hindi nawala eh. Pumikit ako.
Some rooms, they're different. I hope you'll figure out which and do the right thing in time.
Seven na naman tayo. Normal ba? Pag chinek ko to nag-zero. Ay! Parang hindi nagulat. So, kailangan mo antayin yung anomaly? Ganon ba yun? Normal ba to? Bro, check na. Last na to. Dali na. Huwag ka na maglabas ng mumu. Ano, maghihintay pa ba ako? Check na tayo, check. Pag to nag-zero, kakape muna ako talaga. Kakape muna ako talaga. Talaga pa nag-zero ka. Pag nag-zero ka. Hindi ko magalaw yung character. Storytelling. Wala. Ay, so nagawa natin yung 9. Ay, naglag. Jeffrey! So, anong gagawin? Oh, shoot. Hindi na tumakas.
What the hell?
Hi, Jeffrey. Galit na sa pinto to. Hi, Jeffrey. Ayun ako. I mean yung character.
Hey,
Walang sprint. Kalmado. Wait lang. One, 4, 6, 2, 3, 3. Dilat na dilat ka naman. Storytelling. Ano yun? Dalawa siya? Siya rin ba yung kanina? Ay, iba pala si Jeffrey. Hindi yata yung puso si Jeffrey kasi dito aso. Oh, shoot. Merong ano dun. May mumu dun sa ano niya. Room niya.
Oh God. It's me.
Ibig sabihin tapos na yung demo, sobrang lapit pala kapag ka full game na grabe, like hawakan ka na ng mumu. Ay, nakailang sigaw. Dapat ano yun eh, yung intro ko, samahan nyo akong maglaro, matakot at sumigaw. Grabe, ano sabi? Thanks for playing the demo. Our team poured all our talent and a huge amount of effort into creating the floor above, and we hope you enjoyed it. In the full game, you can expect Mike's complete story. Will he escape the room? 145 plus anomalies, 5 different endings, shifting narrators, and Morty the cat. So, iba pala si Jeff. Bakit tinatawag niya si Jeff? Eh, si Morty yung nasa pusa? Yung nasa room. Anyway, new characters, not Morty and other Mike. Sungin dalawa, ikaw. Uncover the mystery of the back room. Lots of lore details that connect to future games in the series, hidden anomalies, and Easter eggs for most of their servant players. If you enjoyed this demo, we'd appreciate if you spread the word. See you soon. With gratitude, Sweet Up Games team. Naka-wishlist na. Nakakatuwa. Ay, mabilis lang pala. Nakakatakot. Nakakagulat. Anyway, we'll continue the full game pag nag-out na siya. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Teka, hindi pa pala tapos. Pag-click ko nung close, sabi, you've completed the game and unlock a new mode. Would you like to try it? Catastrophic update. Mortiverse mode out now. Mortiverse? Si Morty the cat? Supusa ka? Yun.
Meow 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 meow.
Tignan mo! Yung dal nila Mingming. So yung anomaly, Mingming. Hala! Ang cute! So wala pang anomaly. Ang cute! Yung cute! Adi check. So yung Mumu, Mingming.
Meow 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 meow
Uy, nuulo
meow
ng
meow
Mingming.
meow 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 meow.
Hindi nawala eh. X. Sakto-sakto sa akin na sobrang hilig ko sa pusa. Oh shoot. Nakita niyo yun? Dapat pala zoom ko muna. Para na... So, hindi nawala. Kasi sumilip uli eh. Ay, ang kulit, no? Mingming! Cute! Totoo ka ba? Ay, hindi ko tinitignan yung ano. Number ng room. Kung nag-progress ba tayo. Busy ako tumingin sa pusa eh. Edi check ba? Ay, nag-zero. Di mali. Morty pala yun. Ba't niya tinatawag si Jeffrey kanina? Ay, meow! Tigo, cute, cute! So, na. So, ano, mali. Kasi hindi siya nawala. Ang kulit ng update eh.
Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Ay, ano eh.
Meow, meow.
Ayaw nga nang galing pala tayong zero. So, tama ba yun? Ay, kaya siguro ko mali kanina. Hindi ko dapat ata mabilis. Kasi may mga late na anomaly dumating. Parang okay naman yung room. It's okay. Okay, 2. May skin yung ano.
I'm so
Yung
tired
momo.
of watching. Please let me go back.
Ang cute talaga nito. So, dahil nawala siya, check. Magtitrill kaya. Ay! Anong nakalimutan natin dun? Bakit nag-zero? Check naman, wala namang bago. Ay! Ay!
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow.
Ano daw? Tagalan ko daw sa room. Tagalan. You died. Anyway, wala, try din natin yung cat update nila. So, thanks again and bye-bye!